by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself. Assalamualaikum beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So I ordered some stuff from Beautify by Amna and it's finally here. So let's open this parcel with me, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं पार्सल को बहुत ही अच्छे से पैक किया गया है ताकि जो भी मैंने चीज़ ऑर्डर की है वो डैमेज ना हो। और मैंने एक आई शेडो पैलेट ऑर्डर की है और एक लिप क्रेयॉन, एंड आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर दिस आई शेडो पैलेट टू रीस्टॉक फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, क्योंकि ये हॉलीडे पैलेट है और इसकी इतनी प्यारी पैकेजिंग है। अभी जब ये ओपन होगी तो आप देखें, मैंने सिर्फ पैकेजिंग की वजह से इसको ऑर्डर किया है। हियर इज़ द प्रोडक्ट, द हॉलीडे पैलेट बाय BBA आमना। I was just loving this पैलेट्स पैकेजिंग, और इसके ऊपर आमना भी लिखा हुआ है। दैट्स द मेन रीज़न आई ऑर्डर दिस पैलेट। And oh my god, look at this beautiful pink shimmery palette. I'm just loving it. So cute. Now let's talk about the eyeshadows that we get in this palette. We have 6 eyeshadows, 3 shimmery and 3 are matte. First up we have Fifi, which is a really mehendi green kind of shade. Then we have Retro with tea pink undertone and silver shimmers. And then we have this beautiful lavender shimmery shade. And then in the matte colors we have So Pink, Mango and Cocoa. I'll swatch these at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Next up I have this lip crayon, which is from their Florence collection. And the packaging of the product is also really good. I really like the color, really light pink, beautiful girlish color of this lip crayon, or quality is also very nice. So this is in the shade Transformer, which is a really maroonish and brownish on the darker end color tone. You can easily twist it and use it and retwist it and close it, so that's what I like about this lip crayon. Now I'm gonna swatch this lip crayon, and इसका texture जो है वो बहुत ही buttery है, और the pigment is also really good. जो crayon की tip पे color show हो रहा है, that's also the same on the swatch. So I really like this lip crayon, and now let's move on to swatching the eyeshadow palette. So let's swatch the matte eyeshadows first. Pink, So Pink, Mango and Cocoa. And I find these eyeshadows pigmented enough. You can see the swatch. And now let's swatch the shimmery shades. Green, mehendi greenish color. See, this is beautiful. I really like the retro shade. And this is lavender swatch test. And that's all for today. I hope you liked my video. See you guys another time. Allah Hafiz.